Good day everyone, magandang umaga na naman sa ating lahat and welcome na naman po sa ating channel, Ang Buhay Ko sa Israel. So today's video mga kapatid, pag-aralan po natin ano po yung tatlong Arab countries na ngayon ay nagkaroon na po ng peace treaty sa bayan po ng Israel. Alam naman po natin na 75 years na po ang Israel dito and for 75 years mga kapatid, praise the Lord dahil tatlong Arab countries na po ang nagkaroon ng peace treaty sa Israel. So ito yan po yung pag-aralan natin today. Baka meron po mga kapatid natin na hindi pa po nakakaalam about these things. So, meron na pong tatlong Arab countries ang nagkaroon ng maayos na ugnayan sa bayan po ng Israel. So, very simple information. Very timely lang nung 2020. Una po mga kapatid, sabi dito, ayan, yung pinaka-pangatlo. The Israel United Arab Emirates Normalization Agreement, officially the Abraham Accords Peace Agreement. So, ito mga kapatid, Abraham Accord Peace Agreement. Maganda ito yung meaning na ito kasi nga, alam naman nila na ang Arab and Jewish, they have isa lang yung pinanggalingan nila kay Abraham. And sabi diyan, Treaty of Peace, Diplomatic Relations, and Full Normalization between United Arab Emirates and the State of Israel. So, ang UAE mga kapatid, sila po yung pangatlo na Arab nation na nag-sign ng peace treaty, kapayapaan sa bayan ng Israel. Kaya ngayon, meron na pong flight from Israel going to Dubai. Kaya mas madali na pong umuwi ng Pilipinas kung mag-stop over kasi nga maganda po yung Dubai. So, ayan, meron ng flight from Israel to Dubai and then Dubai to Pilipinas. And then sabi dito, it was initially agreed to in a joint statement by the United States, Israel, and the United Arab Emirates on August 13, 2020. So, 3 years ago, officially referred to as the Abraham Accords. So, ito pa rin yung ginagawa nila mga kapatid. We're looking forward na magkaroon talaga ng kapayapaan yung bawat bansa. So, yun naman yung layunin ng bayan ng Israel. And sabi dyan, the UAE thus become the third Arab country after Egypt in 1979 and Jordan in 1994 to agree to formally normalize its relationship with Israel. So una mga kapatid, alam naman natin yung unang bansa, Arab nation na nagkaroon ng peace talk sa bayan ng Israel that consider Israel as a nation is Egypt. I think under Sadat Anwar, so he's the president during the time in 1979. So Egypt became the first Arab country to sign a peace treaty with Israel. So tinatawag ito na, yung treaty tinatawag ito na Egypt-Israel Peace Treaty and na-sign ito sa Washington DC. During that moment mga kapatid, it ended the state of war between these two countries. Alam naman natin na grabe yung history. Yung Egypt isa sa mga lumaban during the time no 1948 and praise the Lord 1979 nagkaroon ng kapayapaan. Yung nga lang nakakalungkot kasi if you read the story, na-assassinate po yung president ng Egypt dahil sa treaty na ito. So, pangalawa is the Jordan. Jordan is the second, 1994 mga kapatid. Jordan was signed a peace treaty with Israel known as the Israel-Jordan Peace Treaty. So, the treaty was signed in Wadi Araba in Jordan and established diplomatic, economic relation between the two countries. So, noong 1994, dyan po nagsimula yung maayos na relasyon ng Israel at ng bayan ng Jordan. Kaya, sa mga tourists, you can go to Jordan and you can pass in the border of Israel. So, maayos yung relasyon. And right now, nagbubloom na rin po yung bayan ng Jordan. At syempre, another treaty is nung 2020, ito nga yung United Arab Emirates. It signed a diplomatic peace treaty 2020 sa bayan ng Israel under Abraham Accords. Maganda ito yung Abraham Accords. Maganda yung sinusulong nila to unite these brothers. So, the agreement was brokered by the United States and marked a significant step in normalizing relation between Israel and Arab countries. Actually, just 2 months ago, ay inunti-unti na rin pag-usapan yung Saudi Arabia, isa sa pinakamalaking Arab nation din, na magkakaroon na rin sana ng kasunduan between Israel, the nation of Israel, and the Saudi Arabia. Pero dahil nagkaroon nga ng problem dito sa Israel noong October 7, na-freeze mga kapatid, but there are so many Arab leaders who freeze lang, prinis lang nila, and hindi talaga nila tinanggal mga kapatid yung treaty na ito, and praying, looking forward na maging maayos pa rin ito at magpatuloy. So, kung magkataon, Saudi Arabia will be the 4th Arab nation who will sign a peace treaty on Israel. So, it's a great blessing. Praying for peace mga kapatid, both nations. So, yan po yung tatlong nation na nagkaroon na po ng sign ng kasunduan ng kapayapaan sa bayan ng Israel. First is Egypt, second is Jordan, and the third is United Arab Emirates. And then the fourth, by God's grace, is the nation of Saudi Arabia. So yan lang mga kapatid. I hope you learned something for this video, and let's keep on praying for peace sa buong mundo. Bye-bye.